Donald Trump is back in the White House. He won the 2024 presidential election, defeating Vice President Kamala Harris. This victory marks a significant shift in American politics. It also raises questions about the future of many sectors, including the housing market. Trump's policies are expected to have a ripple effect on housing. Some experts predict positive changes, while others are wary of potential downsides. The real estate industry is watching closely, eager to see how Trump's presidency will impact their world. One thing is certain, the housing market is in for a period of change and adjustment. Trump has long advocated for lower interest rates. He believes this will make it easier for people to buy homes. Lower rates mean lower monthly mortgage payments, making homeownership more accessible. In addition to lower rates, Trump has also promised to reduce housing regulations. He argues that excessive regulations drive up the cost of building new homes. By streamlining regulations, Trump hopes to make new homes more affordable. This could be particularly beneficial for first-time homebuyers struggling with rising prices. The Trump administration and the Republican Party have discussed making more land available for housing development. This includes potentially opening up some federal lands. The goal is to increase the supply of land available for building new homes. Increasing land availability could help to moderate housing prices. With more land available, developers could build more homes. This increased supply could help to keep prices from rising too quickly, making homes more attainable for a wider range of buyers. While Trump's policies offer potential benefits for the housing market, there are also potential drawbacks. One concern is the risk of inflation. Some economists worry that Trump's policies, particularly his stance on tariffs and immigration, could lead to higher inflation. Higher inflation could erode the benefits of lower interest rates. If the cost of goods and services rises faster than interest rates fall, homebuyers may not see any real savings. Additionally, there are concerns that lower interest rates could lead to increased demand for housing. This increased demand could further drive up home prices, making affordability a challenge. Experts are divided on the overall impact of Trump's policies on the housing market. Some believe the positive impacts will outweigh the negatives, leading to a more robust housing market. Others are more cautious, pointing to the potential risks of inflation and rising interest rates. Robert Shapiro, a respected economist from Columbia University, cautions that the details of Trump's housing policies remain unclear. Until specific policies are implemented, it's difficult to predict their exact impact. This uncertainty adds to the complexity of the situation, making it challenging for both buyers and sellers to navigate the market. Section 6, A Different Path, comparing Trump and Harris on housing. Trump's approach to housing stands in contrast to the policies proposed by his opponent Kamala Harris. Harris's housing plan, though unsuccessful in the election, centered on providing subsidies for first-time homebuyers. She also proposed tax breaks for builders who sell homes to first-time buyers. Harris's plan aimed to make homeownership more accessible through direct financial assistance. Trump's approach, on the other hand, focuses on creating a more favorable economic environment for homebuyers. Whether his approach will be more effective remains to be seen. Section 7. Optimism in the industry, Trump's real estate roots. Despite the uncertainty, there is a degree of optimism within the real estate industry. Many professionals believe that Trump's background as a real estate developer gives him a unique understanding of the housing market. They hope that this understanding will translate into policies that benefit the industry. Specifically, they anticipate less regulation, more favorable lending terms, and a focus on economic growth, all of which could contribute to a stronger housing market. Section 8. Navigating the unknown, the housing market waits. The housing market is in a state of flux. Trump's victory has created both excitement and apprehension. While his policies hold the promise of positive change, potential downsides remain a concern. As new policies are implemented, the market will react and adjust. Buyers, sellers, and industry professionals alike will be watching closely, adapting their strategies as needed. Section 9. A time of change. What the future holds. The coming years will be a period of significant change for the housing market. Trump's policies will reshape the landscape, creating both opportunities and challenges. Whether his presidency will usher in an era of prosperity or uncertainty for the housing market remains to be seen. One thing is certain, the decisions made in the coming months and years will have a lasting impact on the American dream of homeownership.